Okay, so today we're learning about 2D shapes. This is mostly a review. You should know about 2D shapes by now. But 2D shapes are flat. So it's like they're on paper. They don't come off the paper. They are flat. 3D shapes are not flat. Okay, so these shapes, they are not flat. They're not on the paper. It's like when you see a 3D movie, the 3D pictures come out at you. They're not flat. Okay, so today we'll learn about 2D, and maybe tomorrow we'll learn about 3D. So triangles. All of these are triangles. It doesn't matter which way they are pointed. All of them are triangles because they all have how many sides? Well, there's a side, there's a side, there's a side. So it has 3 sides. And then how many vertices or corners do they have? Corners or vertices mean the same thing. Some of you were a little bit confused of this yesterday, so I'll tell you. This is a vertice. This is a vertice. This is a vertice. The pointy part is a vertice. And we can see it has 3 corners or vertices. Now a square, easy. How many sides does a square have? It has 4 sides. How many corners or vertices does it have? It has 4. Now, do you notice anything about it that's similar? For example, the triangle had 3 sides and 3 vertices. The square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. So, the sides and the vertices, they're always the same number. Rectangles. Okay, so don't get tricked. This might look like a square, but if you look closely, this side and this side are longer. They're the same length, and this side are a little bit shorter. They're the same. They're shorter. So it doesn't matter if this part is short and this part is long. It's still a rectangle. Or it could be this side is long and these sides are short. It's still a rectangle. So how many sides does a rectangle have? It has 4 sides. How many corners and vertices? Easy, 4. A trapezoid. This might be a new shape. And a trapezoid is a little bit different. But okay, we'll look at the sides first. How many sides does a trapezoid have? Well, it has 4, just like the square. And how many corners or vertices? 4. The thing about trapezoids is they have to have 2 parallel lines. They have to have 2 parallel lines. What is a parallel line? Parallel line is like this. Lines that do not ever cross. So if these keep going forever straight, they keep going, they won't ever make an X. They won't ever cross each other. Like this, if I kept going like this, eventually they would cross. But it's still a trapezoid because it only has to have 2 parallel lines that don't cross. So that's a parallel line, that's a parallel line, those are parallel lines, and those are parallel lines, because they won't cross each other. Okay? A rhombus, or we can say a diamond. How many sides does it have? Well, it has 4, and then corners and vertices, also 4. A pentagon, how many sides does it have? 5. How many corners and vertices? 5. A hexagon, how many sides does it have? 6. How many corners and vertices? 6. An octagon. Well, this is easy to remember because octagon sounds like what animal that lives in the ocean? Sounds like a octopus. So octagon, octopus. Octopus has 8 tentacles, and an octagon has 8 sides and 8 vertices. Okay? And this is the assignment. Now, don't feel like you need to go out and buy marshmallows and toothpicks. If you have them at your house, that is fantastic. You can go ahead and do this. Or if you have Play-Doh and straw or anything else that you could use to make some 3D or some 2D shapes, you can use that. But do not feel like you need to go to the store and buy this for the assignment. That absolutely not. If you have it, then you can do it. If not, then it's fine. You can just draw a picture of it. But if you have it, you can try and make different shapes. So you can try, like you can see they made a triangle, pentagon, hexagon, square. And you can try and make some more 3D or 2D shapes if you have them. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email, message me on Google Classroom or Class Dojo, and I will try and help you any way I can. Have a good day, guys.